This is one of those recipes I absolutely love. I filmed this recipe 12 years ago, but it deserves to be shared again. Stay with me to see why. Activate 40 grams of fresh or 10 grams of dry yeast in a small bowl. You can skip activating the yeast, but I find it easier and the dough turns out better when I activate it first. Add 1 tablespoon each of sugar and flour, then pour in 200 milliliters of warm water. Mix and let rest for 10 minutes. In a mixing bowl, measure 800 grams of soft flour. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix well. Pour in the activated yeast mixture. See how nicely it froths when activated. Add 200 milliliters of water, 300 grams of cottage cheese. This special ingredient will give the rolls their unique flavor. Pour in another 50 milliliters of oil. First, mix everything with a spoon. Mix with whatever tool you have. When dough is nearly kneaded, add another 30 milliliters of oil and continue kneading until all oil is absorbed. When dough starts sticking again, pat it lightly like this. Shape into a ball, cover with cloth and let rise in a warm place for 30 minutes. Transfer resin dough to work surface. Knead briefly with some flour. Shape into a circle and divide into 4 parts. Shape each portion into a ball and place on floured surface. Shape the 4th portion, dust with flour, cover with cloth and let rest for 5 minutes to relax the dough. This helps after shaping as the dough tightens slightly. Roll out each portion into a circle. Cut dough into 8 wedges. Cut more wedges if you prefer smaller rolls. Stretch and roll up in the traditional way. No filling is needed for these rolls. Repeat the process with remaining dough portions. Arrange rolls on baking sheet, cover, and let rise for 30 minutes. Mix 1 egg yolk with 1 tablespoon of milk. And brush rolls with mixture. After brushing, sprinkle with sea salt. Preheat oven to 200 degrees Celsius, letting rolls rise a bit longer meanwhile. Bake rolls for 25 minutes. Brush hot rolls with butter right after baking. Let me show you how perfect these rolls turned out. Look how soft they are. Yum!